Hello students, today we are going to start with lesson 2 federalism, and in this module we will discuss about the meaning of federalism and its feature. What is federalism? Federalism means where the power is divided between the central government and the state government. So now let's know the features of federalism. There are two or more level of government in federalism, like the central government and the state government. The central government looks after the national affairs, like army is controlled by the central government, and the state government deals with its states or its region, like police is controlled by state government. So how can we know that what type of government should perform which type of duty? So here the third feature tells us that which duty will be performed by which type of government. In every federal country, the constitutional laws tells us that which department will perform which type of duty. That is, each government should have the power at their different region or in different matter. The fundamental laws or rights cannot be changed by any one type of government. If in some cases the conflict arises between the central and the state government, then the decision will be taken by the court. Constitution also tells us how the government can get the money. The motive of the federalism is unity should be there in the country and the people should follow the different religion peacefully. So now we know that what is federalism and what are the features of federalism. Let's know about the types of federalism. Federalism is of two types. The first one is coming together federation and the second one is holding together federation. Let's discuss about coming together federation. Many independent states come together and form a bigger unit. All the states have equal power, that is, the power is divided equally among the central government and the state government. The example of such type of federation is USA, Switzerland and Australia. That means these countries follows the coming together form of federation. The second one is holding together federation. A large country is divided into the small state and rule with them. But here every states do not have the equal power. Some states may have too much power and other may not have. In such type of federation, central government is more powerful than the state government. The example of holding together federation is India, Belgium, Spain, etc. So we came to know about the types of federation. What are the types of federation? Coming together and holding together federation. The features of the federation and the meaning of the federation. In the next module, we will know how the power is divided among the different levels.